Welcome to the Uterson Tech channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a Google account. This is a supplemental tutorial to our other video where we teach you how to store security camera footage for free on the internet using a Google account. We'll show you how to create your account using both a computer and a smartphone. The process is very simple to follow, but if you have any difficulties, just leave a comment below and we'll respond as soon as possible. Alright, now let's get started with the tutorial. On your computer, the first step is to open your browser. You can use any browser you like, but for this example, we're using Opera. After opening the browser of your choice, type Google account in the search bar to find the sign-up page. In the results, click on the option that says Google Account Sign In. Once the page opens, click the Create Account button and then select For My Personal Use. On a mobile phone, the most practical way to create a new Google account is by opening the Gmail app. Tap on your current profile picture to show the Options menu and select Add Another Account. Then tap on Google. When the page loads, tap on Create Account and choose For My Personal Use. Now, let's fill in the details. On the computer, enter your first name, and you can also add your last name if you wish. Then click Next. On the following page, enter your date of birth and gender, and click Next again. On your phone, the process is the same. After selecting For My Personal Use, enter your name and last name. Tap Next. On the next screen, provide your birthday and gender, then tap Next. At this point, whether on a computer or a phone, we need to decide on the account address. You can choose one of the addresses suggested by Google or create a custom one. To do that, check the Custom option and type in your desired address. When you're finished, click Next. If you see a message saying that username is taken, you'll need to try a different address, as that one is already in use. Once you have a valid address, it's time to create your password. Type your password in the top field and repeat it in the field below. You can check the Show Password box to confirm they match. When you're ready, click or tap Next. On the next page, if you're asked for a phone number, you must provide a valid one. This is important because Google will send a verification code to validate your account. Note that if you're creating the account on a mobile phone, this step might be skipped. When entering your number, make sure to include your country code. After clicking Next, you'll receive a text message. Enter the code you received and click Next to proceed. If you're asked for a recovery email, you can add one if you like. As the name suggests, this helps you regain access to your account if you ever lose your password. Click Next and then click Next one more time. On the final page, scroll down to the bottom. Check both selection boxes to agree to the terms and click the Create Account button. And that's it. Your new account is ready. If you are watching our video on how to save security camera images on the internet for free, you can now return to that video to continue the tutorial. We're leaving the link to that video in the description and in the pinned comment. You can also click the button appearing on your screen right now. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.